Chakra Suite, Music for Meditation, Healing, and Inner Peace by Halpern. This album is unique as it specifically targets a different chakra in each track. Each chakra corresponds to a specific tone in the C major scale, and each track targets a different pitch and chakra. There is a free pulse. It is wonderfully simple with synthesized mallet percussion acting as both the melody and background drone, so there are only a few happening at once. Since the timbre matches throughout this CD, the tracks flow effortlessly into each other. There are 20 tracks in total, with each track less than 5 minutes. The first 8 tracks correspond to each chakra and should be played in order for a chakra healing that would last just under 30 minutes. Tracks 14 through 20 are formatted the same way but have added synthesizer and different melodic material so that you have options of which set you would like to listen to. The remaining tracks do not correlate to one specific chakra but are original compositions, with tracks such as Harmonic Convergence and Rainbows of Life.